What if everything you thought you knew about the Toyota Fortuner just changed? What if this iconic SUV, known for its toughness and reliability, has now evolved into something far more advanced, more luxurious, and surprisingly more intelligent? This is the all-new 2027 Toyota Fortuner. And trust me, this is not just another facelift. This is a serious evolution that the moment you lay your eyes on it, the first thing you notice is presence. The 2027 Fortuner doesn't just arrive, it dominates. The front fascia is completely redesigned with a larger, more aggressive grille that feels inspired by global premium SUVs. The LED headlights are now slimmer, sharper, and more high-tech, giving it a modern, almost futuristic signature look, especially at night. The DRLs add that premium touch, while the sculpted bonnet gives it a bold, muscular identity. Move to the side, and you'll see how Toyota has carefully refined the proportions. It still has that tall, commanding stance, but the lines are smoother, more aerodynamic. The new alloy wheel designs, possibly up to 20 inches in higher trims, give it a more upscale appeal. The wheel arches are slightly flared, adding to the rugged personality, while subtle chrome or blacked-out accents, depending on variant, give buyers options between luxury and sportin ESS. At the rear, the transformation continues. The taillights are now sleeker and connected by a design element that makes the SUV look wider. The bumper is more refined, and overall, the rear design finally feels as premium as the front, something earlier models slightly lacked. But the real story begins when you step inside. This is where the 2027 Fortuner truly surprises you. Gone are the days when Fortuner interiors felt a bit outdated. Now you're welcomed by a cabin that feels modern, tech-loaded, and far more premium. Right in the center is a large floating touchscreen infotainment system, expected to be around 12 to 14 inches with a much faster and smoother interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are finally standard, and the system feels more intuitive than ever. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable according to preferences, whether you want navigation, vehicle stats, or driving info right in front of you. The steering wheel design is new, with better controls and a more premium feel. Material quality has also taken a big leap forward. You'll notice soft touch materials on the dashboard, improved leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and possibly even wood or brushed aluminum inserts depending on the variant. Ambient lighting adds a modern vibe, especially during night drives. Comfort has also been significantly improved. The seats are now more supportive, and higher trims may offer ventilated and powered front seats. Rear passengers finally get better legroom, improved cushioning, and dedicated AC vents with better airflow. Even the third row, which used to feel like an afterthought, is now more usable for short to medium journeys. And yes, practicality is still strong. Multiple storage spaces, USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a powered tailgate make daily usage much easier. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Because Fortuner has always been about performance, the 2027 model is expected to carry forward Toyota's strong diesel engine legacy, but with major upgrades. We could see a refined 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine with improved efficiency and lower noise levels. But the big news is the possibility of a mild hybrid or even full hybrid system in certain markets. What does that mean for you? Better fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and reduced emissions without losing that powerful torque Fortuner is known for. Driving the new Fortuner feels more refined than ever. The automatic transmission is smoother, gear shifts are quicker, and the overall driving experience feels less truck-like and more SUV-like. On highways, it feels stable and planted. In the city, it's still big, yes, but steering improvements and better visibility make it easier to handle than before. And when the road ends, that's where Fortuner begins. This SUV is still a true off-road king. The 2027 version takes it even further with an improved 4x4 system, multiple terrain modes like sand, mud, rock, and snow, and advanced traction control systems. Hill descent control and hill start assist ensure you're always in control. No matter how tough the terrain gets, the chassis remains body-on-frame, which means it's built to take abuse, perfect for rough roads, off-road adventures, and heavy-duty use. Ground clearance remains impressive, and water wading capability is expected to improve as well. Now, let's talk about safety, because this is where the Fortuner has made a massive leap. The 2027 model is expected to come with Toyota's latest safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. This means the Fortuner is not just strong physically, it's also smart enough to help prevent accidents. Add to that multiple airbags, a stronger body structure, improved braking systems, and electronic stability control, and you get a very secure driving experience. But beyond all these features, what really defines the Fortuner is its identity. This is a car that has built a reputation over years: reliability, durability, and strong resale value. And the 2027 version doesn't just protect that legacy, it upgrades it. It finally brings the level of comfort, technology, and refinement that modern buyers expect, while still keeping its core strength intact. Of course, there are a few things to consider. The price is expected to be on the higher side, especially with added technology and hybrid options. Its large size can still be challenging in tight urban areas. And compared to some monocoque SUVs, the ride might still feel slightly firm on very rough city roads. But honestly, those are small compromises when you look at the complete package, because the 2027 Fortuner is no longer just for off-road lovers or rural drivers. It's now for families, professionals, adventurers, basically anyone who wants one vehicle that can do everything. City, easy, highway, comfortable, mountains, no problem, rough terrain, bring it on. So if you're someone who wants power, presence, reliability, and now, finally, modern luxury and tech, then the 2027 Toyota Fortuner might just be the SUV you've been waiting for. And this time, it's not just tough. It's smart, it's premium, and it's ready for the future.